What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. No, not you. You already subscribed. I'm talking to you. Yeah. But we're about to wrap my BMW 335. The sun damaged the paint very, very badly. I think I'm rambling because I'm stalling and I'm kind of scared. But I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap the hood. I'm really on a time crunch to get this done because we're gonna go pick up the Tesla later with a new, crazy, insane wrap. I'm sure you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm just talking too much. Let me get into it. Oh, look at that. It's about to happen right now. Yes, sir. What's gonna happen right now? Farrell, how you feeling, man?
I'm just bored, but I mean, I guess red looks cool, you know?
Well, Farrell may be bored, but I'm very, very happy. Very excited. Hopefully next time y'all see this, we're getting ready to wrap a car.
Faze, take a moment, let it phase you. Faze, take a moment, let it phase you.
2 days later. Good morning, y'all. So look, I gotta be quiet because Dave is asleep, but I had to switch to the good camera because look what I see right here. The FedEx man just dropped it off. If you can't tell, I am so excited. I'm trying not to be loud. I'm not doing too great of a job. Let's see. But at ease. Man, it looks like the box took a little bit of a beating on the way here, but I can't be mad. All right, let's get this inside. It's a big box, but this bad boy is gonna work wonders. If you're new here, go ahead and like the video, subscribe before we get started. It don't even matter. Welcome to the pack. Hit that like button because you already know it's about to be a banger. You know it's about to be a banger. Join the pack, subscribe. Let's go get these supplies and I'll be back real quick. So after all of that, I ended up having to wait 2 days for shipping and stuff to get the rest of the things that I needed because they were sold out in stores like everybody's wrapping their car right now. I don't know. But here are the packages from Amazon Prime. We're gonna go ahead and get ready. My boy is out there right now, but I'm gonna take him to the garage because it's about to rain. And we can get started on this wrap, no cap. That's the plan. Right, Farrell?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Alright, so this is the setup I have in the garage right now. We have our wrap, we have some cleaning materials, a bunch of stuff, kind of like organized chaos. I know where everything is, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and pull in the car and get to the exciting part. Here's the color I chose to go with. It's called True Blood Red by Teckwrap. Teckwrap, from what I've heard, has some pretty quality wrap. They have the whole air release inside of it. This in total, shipped and everything, came out to about $500. Usually the labor is the most expensive part, and that's why I decided to go ahead and do this myself. It's a huge cost saver. So I'm gonna go through prepping the surface that I'm about to wrap. This color looks like it's gonna be super clean. You guys see right here, I already did a couple test pieces just to test some of the things that I've been reading and actually like put some hands-on experience with it before I actually wrap the whole car. So let's get it. Alright, so to wipe down this surface, I'm just going to be using a sponge with some isopropyl alcohol. The isopropyl alcohol is to just get rid of the oils and everything. I'm going to get right to it so we can get this car wrap done. Alright, and another thing, whenever you're wrapping the car, make sure you clean the panels that are around the section that you're about to wrap at that moment, because if the panels that are around it are dirty, the vinyl you're using is going to get dirty from touching those other panels. You don't want it to not be able to stick to your car for a long time. Remember that. Keys. Yeah. Alright, so that was my first time cutting a large piece of vinyl. Kind of freaked me out, but now the hard part, putting the vinyl wrap on the car. So I'm gonna just put you guys down right here and we're gonna do it. Why am I so scared to put this on, man? If I mess up, it's over, bro. Alright, let me just do it. I think I'm almost done with my first panel ever. Woo! I really like this color. It's like a dark reflective red. Yeah. So it took me about like 90 minutes, like an hour and a half, That was my first panel ever, but it is done. I'm gonna go take a snack break and regroup. I'm proud of myself, I'm happy. I'm gonna treat myself. I'm gonna go get a snack real quick and then come back, do another panel, and then another one and another one till the car is done. All right, good morning. It is day 2 wrapping Roscoe. So I did take a break from filming yesterday just because I was getting in the role of wrapping this car and figuring out how all of this works, but it's looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's get it. Disappointed right now because I'm pretty sure I lost the squeegee. We're gonna take a quick snack break and I'll be back when I find it. Alright, what is up? Good morning, YouTube. I'm back. I feel good today. Slept well and everything, but welcome to day 3 of wrapping Roscoe. So he's coming along pretty nice. We did the front fenders, the rear quarter panel, some of these trim pieces up here, and the man is here. Good morning. Alright, so we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna try and get as much as we can wrap today.
Until I go see a girl.
That boy is ready. You half asleep? Alright, well, half sleep Waleed is gonna help me wrap this side of the car. We kinda got this done already and got that done already, but we're gonna finish the rest with you guys and make it do what it do. I'm actually kinda tired, I'm not gonna lie to you.
I didn't sleep that long. I slept like 4 a.m. and then got up at like I was trying to be here for 10, but the clothes didn't work.
Alright, let me go ahead and we're going overtime this shit right now. Alright, so we already, what were you saying?
You said we were gonna sand the hood down and you just didn't.
You just didn't do that today.
You said you were gonna get the shit.
I did,
And
but I need homie. So alright, we got this big piece right here for the door, and then we're gonna do this little underpiece right here.
well behaved, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, Alright, so finally finished the door. Door handle looks great. I have to fill in this inlay. But the car is coming along fantastically. So I cheated. Peter's here. It's very tough. I needed help though.
That's crazy, bro. I'd never cheat.
Never?
Never. Not even in high school. Not every homework assignment or anything. I would never.
You guys see how it's going. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Next time, I will have those magnet holder thingies because they help a lot. Just cut to the thingy. Taking a good little snack break.
Hey, man. This isn't like guys that work on trucks, man. So I'm like, you know, chilling. Well, hey, you know, now he's.
U-Haul is gonna sue you.
Why?
Alright, so welcome back. Today, what we're gonna do is try and get Roscoe's trunk finished. I turned the car around so you guys can see the trunk a little bit better. And I also put the top up so you guys can see the pieces I did here for the convertible top. I'm really loving the way this car is looking so far. That's crazy. I didn't know the tint looked that dark. I swear when I got them tinted, I was like, yo, like make sure the tint's legal. That's it. I don't think that's legal, I'm gonna be honest with you. feel like a bandit. I had to put that on because the dust from the paint and all that coming up with the sandpaper was giving me a little bit of a headache. I think you're supposed to actually wear something like facial protection when you sand the hood, because that is paint coming up in the form of dust. But we are pretty much finished. If you guys see all of this, it's pretty smooth. I made sure all the peeling paint is off. Now that it's sanded down, I'm gonna go ahead and wash off the bumper, rinse it as well as I can, and then prep the surface with alcohol. I'm talking too much, I need to get back to rapping. Oh, not my phone. All right guys, I'm kind of freaking out. Ooh, dang, it's probably the last time. One second. Hello? Hey. Alright guys, I'm kind of freaking out, but I did want to stop and admire Roscoe. He looks kind of black still. I'm gonna miss it. Your hood was messed up, homie. Oh wow, hey, yeah, I forgot you guys were here. It's tomorrow, it's today, it's the next day. I went to sleep, but I didn't forget. Don't think I forgot. We're actually picking up the Tesla today at 6 o'clock. So I have more time. I called it a day yesterday because it was really hot. I was getting really annoyed and figured what was the worst that could happen from a good night's sleep and coming back the next day. So I actually did finish getting the hood on yesterday and finally got the BMW logo back on. That was like my big triumph yesterday, was putting the BMW logo back in where it was supposed to be. Now I'm gonna just trim, tuck, and then do these side skirts and the front bumper and we'll be done. Yes sir. As you guys know, this has been quite a project for me. I'm almost done with Roscoe. The whole car is pretty much wrapped, both sides all the way around to the back, except for this front bumper, which I've been low-key avoiding and procrastinating because I know it's gonna be the hardest part on the car to wrap. We're gonna get it done anyways. What I'm gonna do right now is try and outline the bumper to be a bit more aggressive. Right here we have some black gloss vinyl. This is Avery, and this is the red Teckwrap that I've been using on the rest of the car. But I'm gonna use this to make the bumper look a bit more aggressive. So I'm going to make this section black, make this section black all the way over here, and then the rest of the front bumper can be red like the rest of the car. I already have the gloss black front grille, side markers, so we should have a good amount of black accents on the front. I just want to make sure it doesn't look too red. Another thing I just realized, could you guys even tell before that this is a front splitter on the bottom? I'm kind of worried that this right here, now you see it probably a little better. This is not actually a part of the front bumper. I didn't paint it because I knew I was going to wrap the car, but I'm just going to improvise. All right, here we go. So my car Roscoe is finally wrapped and ready. This has been a long process, but I'm really glad to be able to finally share it with you guys. Hit the subscribe button. We just hit 100 subscribers like 2 weeks ago, and now we're at like 150, so I'm really excited about that. Thank you guys for all the support. The next goal is 200, but eventually we'll get to 1K, hopefully bigger than that. Welcome to the pack. Stick around to check out this wrap, no cap. Hope y'all like my GQ hat. Alright family, well I think we got enough looks at Roscoe, and his new wrap is fantastic. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Again, if you guys are new here, please hit the subscribe button. My content is only getting better. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos, doing these projects, and getting to connect with you guys. I like when you guys leave comments and really interact with me. Please let me know what you guys want to see in the future with Roscoe. I'm gonna have another similar video like this with the Tesla, with the new gold chrome wrap and everything. So stay on the lookout for that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Check out some other videos. Welcome to the pack. I will see you guys next time. Peace.